Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, really quick, I know 2023 has already passed, but I could not go without mentioning my favorite products for the year, like the products that I use the most on all my clients. If you guys are new to the channel, hello, welcome to the channel. If you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe bell and turn on your notifications so that way you are notified every time we upload a new video. So I'm going to start off with setting sprays. One of my favorite setting sprays to use on my clients on a regular. I always started off with Caudalie. You guys, it smells so good. It's been around forever. It smells amazing, okay? It gets the makeup ready for the skin. That's the first setting spray, okay? And then for my finishing sprays, of course, the MAC Fix Plus. It's a 16-hour stay-over spray, you guys. I've tested this on some of my clients, even celebrity clients, you know, when they performed and things like that. So this really does hold up to the name. I went through so many of these bottles. One size Patrick Star, like I don't even know if you're gonna see the video, but this spray is like everything. This is a mattifying, Until Dawn mattifying waterproof setting spray. I love this spray, and I'm going to try to have these products listed down in the description box below for you too as well. A new favorite that I just picked up, thank God, about 2 bottles of these, Sooo Cosmetics, you guys. This is a sealing locking, it says waterproof makeup locking mist, okay? And this is a no transfer spray, okay? You can't find this at Ulta, Sephora. You're gonna have to go to their website or go to their Instagram, Sooo Cosmetics, to check them out. Like, this spray is everything. Finishing sprays that I love to use. I'm gonna shake these up. Iconic London. These are glow sprays. I like to spray these on when I finish my clients, okay? These are like so beautiful, okay? So I use these for my more melanated clients, and then I use these for my other clients, say like, you know, Caucasian, Hispanic, things like that. And it just gives you the perfect finishing glow on top of all these other sprays, okay? I like to do a little extra. That's just me. Were the Juvias Place. These were liquid eyeshadows, and I got them in all 4 shades. I think they're all 4 shades, yeah. But I got them in 4 shades. They just came out with some new shades. But I got these 4 shades. And these are beautiful eyeshadows, okay? So I will use them here on top, and I'll also line the bottom lash line here with these as well, just to give it that extra little pop. And then sometimes if I had like a basic eyeshadow, I would do eyeliner on top of my black eyeliner with these, just to make the eyes pop a little bit more. And this is what these look like. So cute. My favorite bronzing powders and blushes. I have these. They come, I think I have like 5 or 6 shades of these. I have 4 right here, but I think I have all of them. From dark to tan to medium to light, deep dark. And then these are the blushes. I only have these 2 in this form, okay? But these by Juvias Place. Juvias Place has been killing it this year. I don't know if you guys were paying attention, but Juvias Place has been killing it, and these are amazing. These are my absolute favorite to set my contour with, okay? As a bronzer. Looks really good. Contour stick that I'm using all year long on most clients, not all clients, because this might be a little too dark or maybe too bright for some clients, but the Huda Beauty Skin Finish foundation stick, and this is in the shade Coffee Bean. That's what it looks like, as you can see. Really pretty. This is super pretty. Gives you like the perfect bronzing contour color and glow to most clients, especially clients that are of color. Concealers that I've been using. These concealers are so good, and they're from 2 different brands. The first brand is, I have like this in every shade. I have these from Juvias Place in every shade. I just pulled 2 just for the video, but these are so good, you guys. They go on so thin. They're so good that I've actually been using them as foundations for certain people. It gives a great look. It's a great finish. It's light, it's finished, it's airy, it's not heavy. It's not as heavy as foundations. And yeah, the color match is great. Like, of course, Too Faced. And I have like 7 or 8 shades of these. I use these as foundations as well. Like, sometimes I don't even use foundation. I just use concealer. I don't know if you guys can see, these are the shades. I have like 6 or 7, so there's more than this that I have, but I'm just pulling these for the videos. But these are my favorite. I love these. I love these so much. My two favorite foundations, I'm going to be using a MAC foundation. I have Charlotte Tilbury too as well. But for the most part, I always use a MAC foundation. And like I said, I have every single shade, okay? It's just tried and true. Like, these are MAC is a go as far as foundation is concerned. This is the Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. Amazing. And then this is my own personal foundation that I have on right now, NC47. And then this is also too my personal Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear in 460 CW. This is my personal shade that I use for my personal use. But I love these. Those are my top two brands and foundations. Eyeshadow bases, you guys. The only eyeshadow bases that I use are P. Louise, okay? And I have 5 or 6 of these, and I have 4 or 5 in the large professional pro base tubes, okay? The tiny small P. Louise, if you're familiar with P. Louise, they have the smaller ones. I have those in probably 45 shades, and well, 5 or 6 shades, because they have various colors as well. They have like hot pinks, purples, stuff like that, blues, pastels. So I have a couple of those as well. But these are, I don't use anything else as an eyeshadow base but this. My go-to primers that I use for the most part on every client, of course, was the Milk Hydrogrip primer for my clients that had normal to dry skin. Of course, this makes all the makeup stick to your face, plus hydrates. And then the other was the One Size Secure the Sweat. It's a mattifying primer, okay? Dry Till Dawn primer. This is amazing. Love this, okay? These two are my favorite primers. Okay, so Fenty primer, you guys. This is also too one of my go-to primers. So out of the 3, I'm gonna use one of these 3. As far as matte, I'm gonna use this one before I ran out, or my One Size, okay? So this is the Pro Filter Mattifying Primer by Fenty Beauty, and it is amazing. Favorite lip products that I actually just kind of fell in love with here are the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. You guys, I love the beautiful shades. These are my top 2 shades that I use the most this year. This is shade 60, which is like a peachy nude, perfect with a brown lip liner combo. And then this other shade I just fell in love with, like a cute pink. These are mattifying. This is number 10. So this is 10. This is number 60 if you're looking to buy. I'll try to put all this stuff in the description box below, but yeah. Morphe lip liners, and these are the shades Sweet Tea. These look really, really, really pretty as well. I don't wear these because they're too light for me, and they're not actually this color here. Like they normally, most brands, when they do a lip color, this will be the color that the shade is, but that's not what the color is. Like, that's the color. So it's more like a brown. So don't be fooled by this because they're totally different, but I don't wear the shade. But it is a pretty shade, and I do put it on my clients, so great products to wear. My favorite eye pencils, the eye pencil that I currently have on right now that I really, really, really like is the Ulta Beauty Ultra Slim Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Brunette. This is what I have on right now. I like to have my brows a little bit lighter because my hair is blonde, even though I'm naturally black. I really, like, my hair is naturally black. But I have this shade on right now. I really, really love how this looks. And then, of course, I have the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. This is what I mainly use on my clients, okay? And I have pretty much all the shades. So just pulling these for demo so you guys can see. But I have pretty much all these in every color. But these are my go-to brow. These will be my forever go-to brow pencils to use on eyebrows. So for the waterline, if you want like a white waterline to kind of wake your eyes up and make them look more perky, one of my favorites that I've been using is the Sephora 12-Hour Colorful Crayon Contour Eye Pencil in the shade Coconut. Okay, so it's not white. I have it on right here. It's not really, really white, but it's kind of like an off-white. So I really, really like that. Okay, you guys, so some of my favorite palettes that I went to use a lot in the year of 2023 was the Ofra On The Glow palette. As you can see, it's kind of dingy. Used it a lot. But this is a universal palette. Has all the highlighters for every shade. Can't beat that. My other blush palette that I use is of course by Juvias Place. I also use this as a highlighter as well. And I think this is the Nubian palette. Yeah, no, the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1. I have Volume 2 as well. I think I gave away volume 2. Another palette that I really like is the Signature Drip by Max Lux Studios. Really love this palette a lot. Different types of colors. Payoff's really good. Really, really love the shades. I love that it's gold. You know, presentations, everything. This is a palette that I bought twice. So this is the first palette I'm on. I have another one just like it because I love it so much. And as you can see, this is my main go-to palette. Like, I've hit pan on a lot of these. But yeah, this is the Nude Persuasion palette. This is very popular in the makeup industry by Beaute. Gotta have this. I have this one, plus I have another one for backup. Last palette, you guys, that I really, really love is by KKAO Beauty. This is the Essential Powder Palette, okay? In every shade that you can think of. This really comes in handy, and as you can see, I've already put it to a lot of use. Okay, so this is amazing. Another one of my favorites that I've used a lot in 2023, and we'll use again next year. I mean, this year coming up, 2024. These last two products that I've really become fond of in 2023 that I've been reaching for a lot are the Makeup Revolution. These are the baking powders in Banana and Banana Deep, okay? And this one here says Super Matte Fix, okay? So these are pretty much my go-tos. As you can see, I've been using them a lot. I've used it today. I used this one on me today. But I normally, and I mix these with a lot of other powders as well. So yeah, these are some really, really good powders, you guys. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on these other brands, these are really, really affordable, inexpensive. They're smaller, but they're super affordable, so where you can buy multiple, and they work really, really good. Just as good as, you know, Anastasia Beverly Hills or Sacha Buttercup, or, you know, whatever other setting powders you use. When I'm setting my lids after I put on my eyeshadow base, I always set my lids with the RCMA. As you can see, it's kind of messy, but I put it to use a lot, as you can tell. RCMA, no color. It's like a translucent, basically a translucent powder. So I use this a lot on clients, and you get, you see how much product you get. So I love these. Translucent, no color, and the price on here is only 12 bucks. So anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. Wanted to make sure that I shared those favorite products with you guys. I know I've been really, really busy, and I try to post shorts if I'm not able to do full videos like this. Most times I'm not able to do full videos like this, so that's why I post shorts. But I had to do something to share with you guys as far as my favorite current products that I always used in 2023, and I'm probably going to be using these same products. I am going to be using these same products in 2024. So you guys, just stay tuned. I have more on the way. You're probably going to be seeing more looks. Oh, one more thing. Another great highlighter that I love to use on top of my other lighter is the Fenty Trophy Wife. You guys, look at that. Very pretty. Look at that. And I have a little bit, I don't know if you can see it right here. It's late at night, so, but yeah, you see any kind of shimmer on my face. I typically use this as my highlighter, but I like to use this too as well, because this shade does not go with all of my clients' skin tones. This goes with, you know, people, you know, like people who are more melanated, and then I could use this on pretty much everybody. So yeah, you guys, be sure to stay tuned. I have more videos on the way, more shorts on the way. And again, thank you guys so much for sticking with me, and hello to the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much for supporting me. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.